Hello students, hope you are doing fine and well at your home. So today we will be starting off with the chapter number 2, that is Timu Toad. One morning Gracie was riding a bicycle down the lane. So what do you understand by lane? Lane is an narrow road in the country. Suddenly she saw something crawling on the road. What does she saw? Something crawling on the road. She got off her bicycle and went to see what it was. And as soon as she saw that something was crawling on the road, she got off her bicycle and went to see what it was. It was a big toad. What was there? A big toad was there. His hind foot had been squashed by a passing car. What do you mean by hind foot? Hind foot means back foot. And what do you mean by squashed? Crushed. His back foot means his back foot had been crushed by the passing car. Gracie looked at him. She thought he wanted to speak to her. What does Gracie thought? That he wanted to speak to her. He gave a big croak. What do you mean by croak? The sound made by a toad. And tried to crawl away, dragging his leg behind him. You will get hurt run over by a car, said Gracie. What does Gracie said? That you will get hurt or run over by a car because his leg was dragging behind. She did not want to leave him there. So she took her handkerchief out of her pocket, wrapped the toad in it, and carefully put him on the side of the road. She watched him struggling to call. I must do something for his foot, she thought. So she picked him again and in the handkerchief carried him home. How does she carry her home? In a handkerchief. Gracie's daddy looked at it and said, let's put some ointment. What do you mean by ointment? Ointment is a medical cream that will help him to get better. Now we'll come to the next page. Here it is, next page. When she had finished with him, he crawled away into the flower bed in the garden. And when the ointment was finished, the process of ointment is finished, he crawled away into the flower bed in the garden. Will he eat flowers, Daddy? Said Gracie. Gracie asked his father that will he eat flowers? No, he won't, said Daddy. He likes an insect dinner. What does he like? He likes an insect dinner. Gracie looked for him the next day but couldn't find him. The next day Daddy was upset because slugs had eaten all the lettuces. What do you mean by slugs? Slugs means worms. And what do you mean by lettuces? Lettuces means plants with crisp leaves used in salads. Gracie and Daddy hunted for slugs and killed many. The next day Daddy planted another row of lettuces. If the slugs get it again, I will give up. Then what does the Daddy said? That I am planting another row of lettuces, and if they'll caught up by the slugs again, I will give up. I will not put any lettuces again if the slugs would have eaten up. He said he sprinkled soot all around it to keep off the slugs. What does he do to protect it from the slugs? He sprinkled soot all around it. But the rains washed all of the soot. I don't think these lettuces will escape slugs, he said. But they did. Poor Daddy and Gracie were surprised. Where have all slugs gone? Said Daddy. That's when Gracie found a big toad behind a lettuce. It is the same toad, Daddy. Look, he's eating all the slugs. And the toad was eating all these slugs and protecting the lettuces from slugs. A toad is good friend in the garden. He eats all kinds of insects and loves a meals of slug. He has certainly saved our lettuces, said Daddy. Daddy said that he has certainly saved our lettuces. We were friends to him and now he is a friend to us. He saved our lettuces, said Gracie. What does Gracie said? That we were friends to him earlier and now he is a friend to us. We will call him Timu and let him live here so that he would eat all of these slugs. Now come to the exercises. Where did the toad crawl after we have put some ointment on the toad's foot? Toad will crawl into the flower bed in the garden. What did the toad like to take for dinner? He loves an insect dinner. Who had eaten all the lettuces? Slugs had eaten all the lettuces. Who carried and whom? Gracie carried the toad. Okay. Then take the correct answer. Gracie got off a bicycle to went to see what it was. It was a big toad was there. The next day, Daddy was upset because the slugs had eaten all his lettuces. So put a tick mark over lettuces, and the rest you can do it on your own. Gracie saw something dash on the road. Crawling. Crawling is the correct answer. Gracie got off a bicycle and went to see what it was. She watched him struggling to crawl. And the rest you can do it on your own. Come to the next page. True, false. Gracie was riding a bicycle down the lane. True. Gracie's daddy asked her to put some ointment on it. True. And the rest you can do it on your own. Who said to whom? Let us put some ointment on it. Gracie daddy to Gracie. Will he eat flowers? Gracie to daddy. I don't think these lettuces will accept slugs. Who said this? Daddy to Gracie. So rest you can do it on your own. What did Gracie see on the road? Gracie saw a toad crawling on the road. What had happened to the toad? The toad hind foot has been squashed by a passing car. What did Daddy do to help her to get better? Daddy has put some ointment on it that help it to get better. And the rest you can do it on your own. So here comes the end of the chapter. Thank you, students.